Hi everyone, this is Karen. So I wanted to show you how to add the class calendar and assignments links over here in the tab, the main menu on Canvas. So you have to first go to the page that you want to link. So I'm going to go to How This Course Works and then the class calendar. Then you have to copy the address from the top of the page. So I just do Control-C and then go down to Settings. And you search for, go to the Apps tab and search for the Redirect tool. So I just put in Redirect. Cue the Jeopardy music as we wait for it to work. There we go. So you just click on that, click Add App. And so the name is what you want the tab to say. So I'm going to say Class Calendar. Then I put in the link, paste the link. And then I want to show it in the course navigation. It doesn't need to go in a new tab, so I don't do that. And then I just click Add App. And then when you want to do the next link, so you kind of do the same thing again. So you want to go back to the home page. And then I'm going to click on the assignments link. So that's the assignments home page. So again, I'm going to copy that address and then go back to settings. And go back to Apps and look for the Redirect tool. Add the app. And I'm going to put on here 103 assignments since this is my 103 class. And then I'll paste in that address, show in the navigation and add app. And then I think what I have to do is I have to go to the navigation. See, the class calendar is there, so then I can just move it up to where I want it to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then it's going to take a minute for the other one to show up there. So there's assignments, so I'll move that right up to the top. So now students have all of that information right at their fingertips. So there's the class calendar. And if they click on that, it's going to take them directly to the class calendar. And if they click on assignments, it will take them directly to assignments. So it just is kind of ease of use for students so they don't have to click so many buttons. And I tried to set this up in Blueprint, but unfortunately when I do that, the link doesn't update when it goes out to all of your courses. So it just links back to the Blueprint, which then of course gives students an error. So I hope that you find this little trick handy.